on the daily, and that is my long-term thinking of gold at this point. That's 1, that's 2. We had a nice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 done. That's a 3. We had an A, we had a B, I think it's over. We're going down for a C. You see, the C, don't be shocked, could take us all the way down to 2,400, 2,300. If it's very strong, it's not going to fall that much. Of course, that's a 50% retracement. It'll go maybe just to the 0.382, which is often associated with a fourth wave. So we'll go to 2,438 or so, around here, and then it'll bounce back. And then you go into this journey of up, down, up, down. As I said, it could be very profitable for trading, yes. But right now, I think staying with futures position, it's not advised at this point, because I think the C is going to wash you out. It's going to become quite panicky at some point. You don't want to go through that. I'm going to show you, and I'm talking about holding positions, futures position, and also if you are heavily margined. You don't want that. Because it's going to be a big strain. It's going to be a big strain on you, and you want to rather not get into this, in my opinion. If I'm wrong and you miss the opportunity if it turns up, too bad. You can always get back in here, but the distance that you will miss between here and there, and the distance that you will have to sit and suffer through between here and the bottom under this, is almost twice as much, because we don't know where it's going to stop. It could be really nerve-wracking. Okay, I think we do have a classic breakdown. That's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think we have 1. Now, gold can do anything. It could actually suddenly extend all the way down here, because it is in the nature of this product, because it's so popular, that it elicits a lot of emotions. It's a bit like gold, yes, silver. You can see what happens. It goes into big stretches like that, and then you think you're going to get that correction, but it keeps pushing, you see. So this could extend. If it doesn't, it just stays the way it is right now. So we are dealing with a classic common kind of wave pattern. We'll have a nice bounce. It will spend maybe today's session and a bit of Monday's session drawing for us a second wave, and then the next break. Okay, so that's gold. That's the hourly. Now take a look at silver. I'm showing you the hourly. I'll show you in a sec also the daily and the weekly. Look at this. Matter sealed. There is, as far as I'm concerned, nothing to discuss. The ABC is in our pocket. It's there. And I've been arguing all along, be very, very careful. This rally is going to reverse on us. Be careful. It's doing an ABC. Here we go. The B is done. The B is done, and we are now in a big C. In a big C that relates to what we have witnessed here. Now, that's the hourly. We could have a bounce. Or it could go slightly lower and then have a bounce, second wave. But don't buy it. Don't go for it. I think it's a trap. It's not going back there. I could be wrong. I'm not providing guarantees here. I wish I could, but you understand what I'm saying, yeah? Now, let's go to the daily, and here is my best road plan, the pathway that I think silver is going to follow. We have 1, we have 2, we have 3. We are now here. We are now in a fourth wave. So let's say the bottom, let's go for the 50% retracement, is going to be roughly 28. Now, if silver is strong, it definitely should not break under 26.50, let's say, because it shouldn't really start messing up with this level. Then the wave count is different. Yeah, it should hold, let's say 27, something like that, 27, 26.50, 26.70. That will be a sign that it is reaching a bottom, if I'm reading it right in terms of the fourth wave. Okay, if it's very strong, as I said, it won't go there. It will probably just hit above 28 and bounce back. and it will go for tracing the next big leg. That will be an ABC. I'll give you the A, and then an ABCB, ABCC, and you get the point. And that's going to drag on for months, At some point, I don't know exactly now, but at some point next year, maybe April, May, at some point it's going to turn up, it's going to fly in a fifth wave. So that is the best reading that I have for silver at this point.